YouTuber Janshina Ultimate Fan here. Right, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you a great program for your desktop to free up your desktop and don't have much icons. Right, the program is down here. Let me show it clearly. It's called Rocket Duck. And these are some programs I have and I don't want to be on the desktop to free up some space. Right, first of all, open your internet browser. I'll show you how to get it. Right, open your internet browser and type in Google Rocket Duck. Wait me a second to show you. Right guys, here it is, Rocket Duck. Right, and the first one from rocketduck.com, as you can see, let me show you. As you can see right here, hit the download. Right, the download button, and I advise you to download the latest version of Rocket Duck. Click on it. It's 100% without viruses. I really recommend this program. Go to save file, hit save file. Right, save it on your desktop. I have the download status bar, so let me show you the system requirements. Windows 2000 XP or Vista. The CPU isn't, so 10 megabytes of RAM free. It's really cool. Right, I'll show a demonstration on how to use this program, how to personalize it, and it's a 100% free program. You don't have to pay any money for it. Right, let's wait just a second for it to download. Right, it's downloaded. Let me minimize this. Right, as you can see, this is the install shield. Right, install it. Oh, excuse me for this. Install it on your PC, and after that it will be up here. Let me show you, up here, but I moved it down here. To move it down, just a second, let me pause the video to adjust the camera. Right, to move it down, right click on it, go to Duck settings. Right, just a second. Only a second for this to load. Come on. It's loading the settings, so you know. Right, it's ready. Go. Let me show it clear view to you. Right here, let me. Right, as you can see here, better view for you guys. Right here, it's position. Here, click on it, and you can, if you had multiple monitors, you can select, but I have only one. Right here, screen position, and you can select top, bottom, left or right. I'll leave it at the bottom. Centering, edge offset, the style, you can change the style, the opacity, as you can see now it is. Now it isn't as you want. Right, select font, shadow color, outline color, opacity, shadow opacity, icons, the general. Run at startup, I have ticked this. Store settings in a portable linear, you don't have to tick this. This ticked, this will be ticked. Minimize windows to the dock, but I disticked it because I want my windows to be minimized to the start bar. If you want, you can let it. Running applications indicators, you can take this, but I don't want to use. Lock items, another, right? I selected out hide. Let me show you how to, let me right here auto hide, right? This is little. Let me show you how to add a file to it. Let's go to my hard drive. I have 2 hard drives. Just a second. Let's see my dad's project, right? Highlight, click on it and drag it to the dock, as you can see, right? It's normal now, and right, and voila, right here. You can change the picture. Right click on the picture, select icon settings, right, and right here you can select other icon. Let me see. Come on, just a second. Let me show her. Let me see one. Oh, select one. I'll select this one and hit OK down here. And as you can see, the picture is changed. The right is in Romanian, so right. Project is project and Tati is father, means okay. And how to remove them? Right click on them and go to delete the intent right here and click on it, and voila, it disappeared. Right guys, makes it this, auto hide this, right? So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.